Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a workspace in Asana. All right, as you can see here, when we hover our mouse onto the workspace or even right click on it, we don't have the option to delete the workspace. So what we're going to do to delete the workspace, all right? Well, all you have to do first is just go ahead over to the workspace itself. Just click on it. Now, as you can see here, we have members. So first up, you're going to want to click on view all. And then remove everyone from here. All right. Just leave yourself. All right. Click on the three dots and hit on remove. Click on the three dots and hit on remove. Okay. Once that's done, as you can see here, we have a ton of projects. You're going to want to clear everything right here. Just click on a project, go to the drop down right here at the top, click on delete, and do the same to the other projects. Click on the drop down, hit on delete. This one as well, click on a drop down and hit on delete. Now, once that's done, once you've removed the people and the projects, you're going to want to go ahead over to the top right and click on your profile. All right. Now go ahead and go to settings. Now in here, just click on account. Okay. Once done, scroll down until you find remove me from this workspace. So basically you're the only one that is left in the workspace or that is left in the blank workspace. All right. So how Asana works is that you can't just delete a workspace. All right. But you can erase everything in the workspace first, and then you can go ahead and remove yourself from it. All right. Just click on this option, which says remove me from this workspace. Just click on it and there will be a pop-up. So as you can see here, it has an error. You're currently the billing owner. All right. For this workspace. Billing owners must remain members. All right. So here's a workaround. You're going to want to create a new dummy Gmail account. All right. And once done, you can go ahead and invite that particular account to your workspace. And then you're going to want to go back to this specific page. Now go ahead and click on remove me from this workspace. All right. Or the other option is just straight up deactivate your account or even deleting your account. Okay, as you can see here, deactivation removes access to all organizations and workspaces in Asana. If you want to deactivate your account, just click on this one and follow the simple prompts. And again, if you don't want this one, creating a dummy email, all right, will do the job. All right, you get the point now. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.